Hi, I'm Sandra Oberlies. Welcome back to our next video. When we left off, we had just finished configuring all of the Configuration H and Configuration Advanced H, and now it's time to compile our software. Once we're finished enabling all of this, that was the last one we needed. We're going to go ahead and we're going to try and compile this just by clicking the Verify button, the check mark right here. There is an upload button, but since we're not connected to our printer right now, we don't want to use it. And the first time, and the first several times if we have trouble, we want to just use Verify. We don't want to try and upload right away, because if it's broken, it'll try and upload it and then we'll have a broken software that doesn't work. So we're just going to verify, and then once we can get it to successfully verify, then we can later connect the board and upload, and it will verify and upload both at the same time. So it does take extra time, but we don't want to try and upload until we know it's going to work. So I'm going to click that button, and it should go through and compile, and I've got the output, and it'll go through and throw us some status messages. I'm going to go ahead and make this full screen now so we can see all of those status messages going through. All right, so we've already got an error. Request compile failed with the message compilation error, exit status 1. So we've got to figure out what that exit status is, and it looks like we need to include u8glib hal.h. So it looks like we're missing a library. So that means troubleshooting. We're going to go back and load that. I come down here. Here's the HAL, U8G HAL. I'm going to go ahead and install this. Successfully installed. So now I will try to verify again. This does take a very long time, sometimes 5 to 10 minutes. I have left, gone to the bathroom, come back, and it was still going. So this will take a while. I will probably cut out a lot of this when I'm creating the video, but just be aware it will take a very long time. Okay, I just got a message that the compilation is complete. That took at least 15 and probably closer to 20 minutes to actually compile. So if you do not have 20 minutes left in the school day or before you have to leave your computer, then I would suggest waiting until the next session to actually hit that verify button. All right, but now that we've got it compiled and we have no more errors, then we're done with our troubleshooting and we are ready to connect our board and do our verify and upload. And I will see you in the next video.